Okay, so we have it on slow mode. An average human can run up to 17, maybe 16 miles per hour. This sucker here, the new RC Trek, goes 33 kilometers an hour. If you convert that by math, that is roughly 20 miles per hour. This is the new RC Trek that I just received today. Dropped it off by none other than UPS. Yesterday I did an unboxing of another RC Trek. This is the new one. So let's get right into this. Let's unpackage this and let's see how fast this sucker goes. So last time it was a different brand. This brand here is actually Blue Jay. The other one is High Brand or High Brand. It's from China. But the other one that I did yesterday, although it was from China, it was fast. It was fast. This one is called Blue Jay. Supposed to go 33 kilometers an hour. It's 1/12 scale, and it already has a lot of pieces in here. You shake the box around. It's light, but there are pieces in there, so I think I have to manually put it together in order to, you know, try it out. But by looking at the container, it looks like it's supposed to be a nice red color to it. So looks nice. Looks nice. I bought it off of Amazon for about $50, so I'm assuming it'll work like a $50 RC car, but it better not disappoint. So let's get into this. Oh, it's much larger than the other one. Much larger. Oh, it comes with nice beefy tires. Oh wow, this is definitely outdoorsy. Oh, the suspension is really strong on this. Nice beefy controller. All the head bits and parts. Battery should be in here. Okay, it looks like there's another battery already hooked up inside this here. It's a nice beefy battery too, so looks like they actually striped 4 AAAs together to put this together. Comes with its own little screwdriver and a little USB cord to charge it with. Sweet. It comes with an extra wheel in case the sucker's off or something. I don't know. It's nice that it comes with an extra wheel. I'm not too worried about putting things on. I'll probably put things on in a bit. Let's see what the instruction says here. Okay, well this is definitely heavier. It definitely has juice in here. So just trying to figure out how to. Okay, so. Okay, give me a couple minutes, guys, and I'll put this together and we can test it out. Okay, so it took quite some time. Finally got it together. You gotta watch out for those tiny screws. If you drop them in the grass, it'll be forever until you find them, or never. Okay, so it took way longer than I thought it would. Just putting the battery in was a chore. But I finally got it working, so let's see how fast this is. Okay, so we have it on slow mode. Well, so far my overall thoughts with this is it's okay. It's good. It's good. The tires are again spongy. The suspension feels good. For a while I've been trying to figure out why it was drifting. There's a little button on here that you can move it to straighten the drift. So, is it as fast as the other one? Well, we're gonna have to wait and find out that in another vlog. I'm gonna end this vlog here. But if I'd rate it, I still prefer the other one. That other one's really cool. This one, I think I'll just have to get some used to. It is fast. It is fast. But yeah, I think that'll be it for today's vlog. See you guys in the next one.